When you own stock, you own a piece of a company. But how do you vote on their decisions without attending the annual meeting? A proxy is essentially a stand-in. It allows you to delegate your voting power to someone else or participate remotely. Every common share you hold usually carries a single vote on corporate matters, regardless of whether you are physically present at the meeting. Shareholders use their votes to weigh in on critical topics like who sits on the board or how much executives are paid. While attending an annual meeting offers a direct line to management, proxy voting provides a convenient way to exercise your rights from home. Institutional investors often have high participation rates, while retail investors participate less frequently. Your vote still helps shape company policy. Remember that you are a part owner. Ignoring your proxy materials means you are giving up your chance to influence how the company is run. Keep an eye out for proxy materials from your brokerage. Educational content, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.